In this video, I will show you how to delete eHarmony account. First, open the eHarmony website on your PC. Click your profile icon at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Data and Settings. Now, scroll down to the Manage Profile section. Under Profile Visibility, you will see a line that says, "To delete your profile permanently, please click here." Click that link. A confirmation page will pop up. Just enter your password, then click Delete Profile. And that's it. Your account will be permanently removed. No turning back. And that's how to delete eHarmony account.